If the stack of bricks on the right weighs 240 pounds, approximately how much does the stack of bricks on the left weigh? Well, okay, so I want to figure out about how many bricks are there on the right-hand side because that weighs 240 pounds. So this is about 240 pounds here. Again, I could be like, well, it's about halfway up, so maybe like double it or something like that. But I guess I'd like to get a little bit more precise here. I'm going to look at the volume of this shape. So I have 4 blocks going this way. I have 3 blocks going this way, and I have 4 blocks tall. So I'm going to go ahead and write a little volume problem here, and that's 4 times 3 times 4. Again, where did I get those numbers? Because it's 4 left to right, it's 3 going to the back, and it's 4 blocks tall. Okay, so 4 times 3 times 4 is about 48 blocks total. Now, if 48 blocks weighs 240 pounds, I can do 240 divided by 48 blocks. Okay, and we're going to find out that that's going to be 5 pounds per 1 block. Okay, so again, we can get a unit rate here. And then from that point on, so I know each pound is about 5, or excuse me, each block is about 5 pounds. Now I want to use that information, figure out how many blocks I got here. I notice I got 3 missing, so that's just 15 pounds. So we should get close. We should be within 15 pounds of our answer. Let's go ahead and do what we did here and use that volume thing again. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's write that down. 6 times 1, 2, 3 times, now I'm looking at how tall is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to go 8 high. I'm not going to go hit this would be 7, but I'm going to count all 8 of those. So that'd be times 8. All right, now let's go ahead and figure that out. So let's see, 6 times 3 is 18, and then 18 times 8 is 144 blocks. So if I got 144 blocks, about how much would that weigh? Well, I got to do 144 times 5 because right here it's 1 block, 5 pounds. So I got to do times 144. If I do 5 times 144, I'll get my answer. And that's about 720 pounds. Now remember, we had 3 missing, so I'm looking for about 720, and actually right here it actually says about 720 pounds. So C is going to be my best choice here. Again, what did we do? We found out how much is it per block, and then found out how many blocks were over here, and then just multiply that by 5 because that's how much it was per block. So again, some problem solving there, figuring out what each block weighs.